Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Excuse me. It's hot today. It was like in the 90s. So I'm gonna do something a little simple. I'm doing a chicken bacon ranch grilled sandwich. So I want to use the stove as little as possible today. So let's get to it. Got some sourdough bread here. It's my preferred loaf of choice when it comes to grilled sandwiches. Just bread buttered up. Also, shown this trick before, but for anyone who's new or haven't seen it, Parmesan cheese. I like to just sprinkle it over the bread, the buttered side. So when it's grilling the bread, it's going to give it a nice crispy, cheesy outside, which tastes phenomenal. So, get that in the pan. Skillet's already running. I guess it wasn't all the way hot yet, but it's alright. With cheddar cheese, I'm just using what cheese I have on hand. Plus, I really like cheddar cheese anyway, so get that on there. Got some strips of bacon I already had cooked up. I've got some chicken. Got a little ranch dressing here. Is it going to come out though? I guess not. Alright, try that again. Got a little bit of ranch dressing. I didn't want to do a side that was hot. So I'm doing a Caesar salad, my favorite. Mainly because I also had cheese left over. I can use it, help use it up so it doesn't go bad. And then of course Caesar dressing. Nice. And I always like putting throw some on the sandwich as well. I do like my black pepper. Got to hit record. I went out and flipped one over. See how nice and brown it is, and maybe you can hear this. Nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Actually, I just realized I forgot something. I had some tomatoes. I was going to throw some tomato slices on there as well, because it adds a nice fresh element to the sandwich. So, of course, if you don't like tomatoes, feel free to leave them off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over. Perfect. Then open that up. And add my tomato slices. I'll just flip this back. Kill the heat. Like that. You know, not every meal you make has to be this big, long, complicated ordeal. Sometimes you can just go simple. I don't have to. Plus, cleaning the pan out will be easy. I'll just wipe it out with a paper towel. Good to go. Let's alright. Taste. And I love that crunch of the Parmesan on the outside. Delicious. A little buttery, so. Yeah, that's good. Simple, good. And I'm already sweating. I probably cooked maybe 15 minutes. Damn it. I need an air conditioner. Anyway, I do thank you for watching. It'll be a short one this week. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the description. I'll announce at the end, plus last week's video. I do appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one.